What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again. And do you have a GMC Chevy and you have a key fob? You don't have an actual key to get in there, but either your key fob runs out of battery or the car runs out of battery. I'm going to show you how to get in and how you can still turn it on with the key fob. Alright, for starters, let me show you how to get the key out of this key fob. So we have a button right here. Once you press it, you pull on the keychain and you should be able just to pull it right out. So here it is. Now coming into your driver's door, you'll see a little slot right here on the bottom on the right hand side. So you're gonna put your key inside there just like this. So after you put your key inside, you're gonna move or open the handle, and that should release the latch inside, and you should be able just to wiggle the key out a little bit to make it pop out. After that, you pull the cover out and to the right, and then you should be able to pull it right out. And here's a better look at this cover. Here's a look at the slot on the bottom where you're gonna put your key so you can pop it out. So you're gonna put the key in there, and once you pull on the door handle, it's gonna release this latch here, so then you can pull it straight out and to the right. And the reason you do that is so you don't break those little tabs on the back. So pull up and to the right to pull it right out. Don't break those tabs. So now that we have the keyhole uncovered, you just put your key in there and you twist it just like normal. You unlock it and you can get inside your vehicle. At this point, if your car's battery is dead, just open the hood and you should be good. But if your key fob is dead, so what you're gonna do is put your key fob in this hole in the center console right there, and that will read the chip even if the battery is dead, and you should be able to turn it right on just like normal. Alright guys, that is it. That's how you can get inside your Chevy or your GMC vehicle. If you have a key fob, don't have a key, but your key fob runs out of battery or the car itself runs out of battery, that's how you get the key out of the key fob. That's how you get in, and that's where you put the controller so you can still read it even if the battery is dead. Alright guys, so as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, and share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.